Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. Looking to connect Insightly to Google Calendar? This guide will show you how to synchronize your CRM tasks and appointments with Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss an appointment date. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first, go ahead and open insightly.com. And at the same time, make sure that you own a Gmail account, which will allow you to get the access to Google Calendar. Then now, go ahead and log into your account. I'm just gonna log into my account using the Google function. So that's with that being said, I'm gonna get into this account area. Let me just remove a couple of things from this page so I can get the access directly to the website. Since there is this thing here, I'm gonna just remove it, and there we go. Now, to get the access to the integrations, we have to go here to the icon, click on it, go to the system settings, and go all the way down to integration list. Normally here you will find 4 applications, which are Intuit, QuickBooks, MailChimp, PandaDoc, and Xero. Now these apps are the click and download apps, which are very easy to install. But there is other applications that you can install, and they are pretty much not as easy to download and integrate as these ones. For example, in our case, we have the Google Calendar. So if we search here for Google, and as you can see here, you will find every single Google application. We have here Google Ads, Analytics, Calendar, Cloud, Storage, Contacts, Contracts, and more. Well, now in our video, we should go with Google Calendar. So click on it. There we go. After I clicked on it, well, there's 2 ways actually to download. Well, the first way is basically by clicking on it, and by clicking on it, this will take you basically to the page where there will be an article talking about Google Calendar and all the details about it. Now this page exactly will not give you the access to download it, since these applications are all needs the request demo function. Now to request a demo so you can integration automation for yourself, you have to click here and answer a couple of questions, like what type of business do you have, for example e-commerce, next, and then you have to fill this form. Then you will be able to actually submit, and then you can get the demo formats filled, and you will be waiting now for the answer. But how can we do this instantly? Well, for that sake, for this video, we're going to do the Zapier as our solution. So we have to use Zapier. Go to zapier.com, just log into your account, and you will be able to simply use the application for free for a couple of time. Now let's go ahead and do the job. So there we go, we are on zapier.com. So the next thing to do is to go to apps. Make sure that you have both Insightly and Google Calendar added in the app section of Zapier. To do so, you simply have to search for the exact app that you want. In our case, we want Insightly. There we go. Click on connect. They will ask you for an API key, which you will find in the user settings, as you can see right here. In case you didn't know how to access it, you can simply go to your profile, user settings, and go to the bottom, and you will find your API key right there. Now, after you connect your account, you have to test the connection. Let me just test it real quick. Click on test connection. If it is successfully, that means they will show you this message. If it's not, then they will show you this message in this area, the error testing connection. So that means this is the one that is working. Let me just rename it. Insightly connected. Right, then let's go back to my apps. There we go, and now let's search for Google Calendar. So let's search for Google, and this is Google Calendar. The same thing you have to do: connect, choose the account, give it some access and permissions, then click on allow. Normally I have it already connected, so let me just test the connection. Let me just see which one of them is working. If none of them is working, then I'm simply gonna redo all. Okay, this one is connected, so I'm just gonna delete the others. Delete, and there we go. So now what I'm gonna do is to work on this connection. Go to create and click on Zaps. In this area, you will be able to write a prompt for the AI. So let me just show you here. This is a field text where you can write your prompt. You can here write something in detail or simply small keywords. This can help the AI generate the best automation for Insightly in Google Calendar. Let's make sure that you are mentioning both applications in here. Let's do that real quick. First of all, I will just write a simple connect form. So connect Insightly with Google Calendar and click on next. And let me just remove this real quick. Okay, clear shot. Let's do this again. And there we go. So now you can automatically synchronize your new task from Insightly to Google Calendar by creating a Zap. Here is how you can build your Zap. When there is a new record in Insightly, you will go and find a new event in Calendar. Now this might be random. This might not be the thing that you were looking for, so you can literally just change it as you'd like it to be. You can literally just go ahead and write exactly what you want to be here. For example, whenever there is a new client / contact in Insightly, create a new event in Google Calendar that has basically, for example, meeting plus his name. So let's click on next and check if they are going to give us this thing. So you can automatically create a Google Calendar event titled meeting with a new contact's name whenever your contact is created in Insightly. Here's how you build your Zap. New record, find event. So let's do that. Click here and click here to add the second one. And as you can see, we have created these two. Now simply just click on it, choose the account. I'm gonna go with this one. Go next. Choose the value. Let's go with contact. Continue. Test trigger. And if it's done successfully, you will have this message. Then click on next. Here for find events, I'm gonna change it to create new event, or basically create action. Let's go with create a new calendar, create an event by defining each field. Okay, let's do this. Continue. Calendar. Let's just give it a name. Let's name it this. Let's check if there is anything important. Yeah, there is these two, so we can that created. Let's say here after 3 days. Okay, and now continue. Click on test step and wait for it. The step has been made successfully, so click now on publish. And just like that, you have connected now your Insightly account with Google Calendar. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.